Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to view someone's profile picture bigger on Instagram. So I'm gonna opening my Instagram here and I'm gonna opening a random profile, and if I tap on this profile picture, as you can see, the profile picture is not viewing here. So to view someone's profile picture bigger, we need to open a browser and we need to type here Inflect and open this website inflect.com. Once you're here, tap on this three-line icon at the top right, tap on Tools, Profiles, tap on Analyzer, and here all you have to need, just enter here the profile username, tap on Analyze, and here you will get the Instagram profile. Now all you have to need, just zoom, and from here you can zoom the profile picture, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.